ওয়েলকাম সকলকে। আমরা আইটিআই কোর্সের সেকেন্ড ইয়ারের এমপ্লয়াবিলিটি স্কিলের উপর কোশ্চেন আলোচনা করছিলাম। তো আজকে আমরা 101 থেকে 150 পর্যন্ত কোশ্চেনগুলিকে আলোচনা করব। তো শুরু করলাম। কোশ্চেন নম্বর 101, হোয়াট ইজ স্ট্রেস? সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো ফিলিং অফ ফ্রাস্ট্রেশন অর ডিসঅ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট। Question number 102, how many days does it take to form a habit? সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো 21. Question number 103, Factories Act was introduced in dash 1948. Question number 104, wages are paid monthly. Question number 105, when a worker contributes to bring the best output by using the available resources, the worker is dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো productive. Question number 106, PPE means personal protective equipment. Question number 107, productivity can be increased by offering dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো training and job site experience. Question number 108, dash protect hands from cuts, burns or harmful liquids. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো gloves. Question number 109, which of these is not an entry level job after ITI for interior design? সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো specialist. Question number 110, quality management system makes use of some tools for problem solving. Which of the following is not one of them? সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো 4D and 4S method. Question number 111, ISO stands for. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো International Organization for Standardization. Question number 112, BIS stands for. সঠিক উত্তর হলো Bureau of Indian Standards. Question number 113, the business idea should dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো solve someone's problem. Question number 114, in social media we use dash to convey our feeling and emotions. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো emojis. Question number 115, we select the dash emoji to express our feeling. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো অপশন বি, পারফেক্ট। Question number 116, we use emojis when dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো words are not enough to express our feeling. Question number 117, when we strongly feel and react situation or with particular people, we are using our dash emotions. Question number 118, it is important to dash. সঠিক উত্তর হলো accept, understand and manage our emotions. Question number 119, a person's ability to understand and manage emotions properly is called dash. সঠিক উত্তর হলো emotional intelligence. Question number 120, a person with high emotional intelligence has dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো lot of positive qualities. Question number 121, when something good happens to us we feel dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো positive emotions like happiness. Question number 122, the first step to manage emotions is to dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো accept and understand emotions. Question number 123, when we do not express our emotions we may end up dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো hurting ourselves and others. Question number 124. Expressing ourselves helps in dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো finding solutions to ideal with negative emotions. Question number 125. If we do not learn how to control dash, it can spoils relationship. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো anger. Question number 126. What is the process of formally introducing oneself called dash self-introduction? Question number 127. A good self-introduction will help in making a dash decision. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো hearing. Question number 128. All of us dash on completion of the course. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো search for jobs. Question number 121. TI trainees meet industry professional during dash. ITI হবে ITI trainees meet industry professional during dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো অপশন এ internship and apprenticeship. Question number 130. Good self-introduction help to make dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো good positive impression. 131. Self-introduction should show how dash you are. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো confident. 132. A quick summary of yourself is called an dash. সঠিক উত্তর হলো elevator pitch. Question number 133. Introducing oneself in a smart and powerful way in just 30 seconds is called dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো elevator pitch. Question number 134. The most frequently asked questions in an interview is dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো tell me about yourself. Question number 135. Everything about a person on the internet like profile on your Facebook, Twitter and Instagram is called dash. Online profile or digital footprint. Question number 136. Identify the professional networking platform from the given options. Option C হচ্ছে LinkedIn. Sorry. 137. When you explore LinkedIn to know about companies, its employers, get industry updates, etc. You are exploring it dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো as a research tool. Question number 138. When a person is given information about how he or she is doing in an effort to reach a goal, it is called dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো feedback. 139. Giving information in a manner that does not attack a person but brings possible changes to the behavior is called dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো effective feedback. Question number 140. When your instructor decided to cancel the industry visit, you feel dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো feel disappointed. Question number 141. When other observes you and share what they feel about your performance, they dash are giving you feedback for improvement. Question number 142. An employee gets feedback from supervisors, HR and other colleagues to dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো improve. 143. Negative feedback is usually given dash constructively. 144. To improve your listening skill and become a better communicator, you need to dash start listening actively. Question number 145. Your assignment is not like that of your other in your class. Why are not your studying? Is an example of negative feedback. Question number 146. Given positive comments followed by suggestions for improvement and closing with positive comments is called dash. Berger and feedback technique. Question number 147. When you provided feedback, tell the listener that you are providing dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো constructive feedback for improvement. Question number 148. Self reaction is the process of dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো looking inwards. Question number 149. When we take time to think and pay attention to our thought, emotions, decisions and behavior, it is called dash. সঠিক উত্তরটি হলো self reflection. Question number 150. Identifying things that are under our control and those that are not under our control helps us to be dash. সঠিক উত্তর হলো more self aware. তো আজকে আমরা আরও 50টি কোশ্চেন আলোচনা করলাম। যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তবে অবশ্যই লাইক করো এবং নতুন হলে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। ধন্যবাদ সকলকে।